Hi, this is Isha here with the Erskine Farm. First time on a new camera, doing a little selfie shot. Hope it looks okay. I wanted to give you guys an update on our orchard. Over the past week, we got 30 yards of wood chips delivered for free from a local tree trimming company. And then I reached out to my neighbor if I could hire him or rent his tractor, and he just said, "Oh, I'll just help you out and do it for you." So neighbors are wonderful, and we share some eggs and extra produce. So we share, they share, it's all wonderful. So for a very small amount of time, we're going to have a weed-free orchard. Check it out. So here's the orchard. We have 25 trees that we planted a year and a half ago now. Peaches, plums, pears, nectarines, cherries, persimmons, apricots, a little bit of everything. The trees are just starting to produce, a few of them. That's a lot of peaches right there, which is pretty exciting. We did lose 2 figs there, dead on the left. And if you look really closely, there's a nectarine hidden in here. There it is. And it also looks like we may have a few apples this year. So the sun's in my eyes over here, but I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the tractor footage and how we got all this done. Just trying to work hard, so I didn't really film any sort of how-to, but I thought I would share and check it out. So behind our corn patch here, you have our compost pile, and behind that you have 3 10-yard dumps of wood chips that the tree trimming company gave us for free this week. They were doing a big job nearby. This is what our orchard looked like this morning. We had the weed fabric on the right ready to go. See, there's a few weeds, dead dry grass, and we got a tractor in here and he scooped it up and just dropped it off, and then we spread it around with rakes and then added more weed cloth and stapled it down. So a lot of the time was just driving slowly down the orchard because there's irrigation risers that pop up for the trees that are a little bit in the path, so he had to drive slow and perfectly straight as to not break those. And we did a test at the end of the day and there were no leaks. Thanks, Gino, you're amazing. Then you can see here that he just dumps it, and then we spread it out by hand a little bit. Here's us about an hour later. We're on to the second pile of wood chips, and we're just a little bit less than halfway done with the orchard. Started to move faster once we were closer to the pile, and we were able to really make good time. We got the whole thing mulched in a little under 3 hours. The original plan was to try to do this by hand with wheelbarrows. It would have been 2 hours a day for a month, but then the first wood chips that we had put down would have started to decompose. In other words, we probably would have never finished. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you like this type of content, please like, subscribe, leaving comments, sharing it with your friends. It all helps get the videos out there, motivates me to keep making these. So thank you once again, and I'll see you in the next video.